Dear students, I hope that you all are well, though the situation is not good. Today, I will going to present a class for second year honors student. The name of the course is the chemistry of the representative elements, and the paper code is 222805. And this is MD Monirul Islam, Assistant Professor Chemistry, New Government Degree College, Rajshahi. So let's start our PowerPoint presentation slide. Dear students, welcome to my online class. This is MD Monirul Islam, Assistant Professor Chemistry, New Government Degree College, Rajshahi. Today's I will discuss about chemistry. Paper title: Chemistry of the Representative Elements, and paper code is 222805. Credits 4. Today's I will discuss about chemistry of the representative elements, chapter 1, hydrogen. Firstly, I will describe about hydrogen. What is hydrogen? You know that hydrogen, whose symbol is H, a colorless, odorless, tasteless, flammable gaseous substance that, that is the simplest member of the family of chemical elements. The hydrogen atom has nucleus consisting of a proton bearing on unit of positive electrically charge and electron bearing on unit of negative electrical charge is also associated with this nucleus. Also, hydrogen is under ordinary condition, hydrogen gas is loose aggregation of hydrogen molecules, each consisting of a pair of atoms, a diatomic molecules which symbol is H2. You know that the earliest known important chemical properties of hydrogen is that it burns with oxygen to form water, H2O. Indeed, the name of hydrogen is derived from Greek words meaning marker of hydrogen. Because it burns with oxygen to form water, Greek words meaning marker of water. The name of hydrogen derived from Greek words meaning marker of hydrogen. Marker of water. At a glance, when I represent hydrogen, you will see that here is the symbol of hydrogen. Here is the symbol of hydrogen. Here is atomic number. You know that the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Symbol of hydrogen H. Here is the electron configuration 1s2. The s orbital electron is 1. The name hydrogen. Here is the atomic weight of hydrogen. Here symbol is equal relative strength, acid base properties of higher valence oxidize. Here is the crystal structure. Hexagonal. Crystal structure is hexagonal. Here is the physical state at 20 degrees centigrade tapmatrai, hydrogen is gas. The color, here is the color. The color shows that non-metals, hydrogen is non-metals. Here at a glance, we introduce hydrogen. Then I will discuss about the source of hydrogen. Hydrogen can be produced from diverse domestic resources. Currently, most hydrogen is produced from fossil fuels, especially natural gas, electricity from the grid, or from renewable sources such as wind, solar, geometrically, or biomass is also currently used to produce hydrogen. Sources of hydrogen as a compound. Now I discuss about hydrogen as a compound. Since it forms covalent compounds with most non-metallic elements, most of the hydrogen on Earth exists in molecular forms such as water or organic compounds. Combined with oxygen, it is water, H2O. Combined with carbon, it forms methane, CH4, coal, and petroleum. It is found in all growing things biomass. Here, hydrogen is a clean, safe, and versatile energy carrier. Here are many forms of energy carrier. I will discuss about. Here is can be produced without a carbon footprint through electrolysis or SMR CCS. Here is can be transported over long distance. Hydrogen can be transported over long distance, allowing the distribution of energy between countries. Here is has a high energy density, making it suitable for long-term storage. Here produces clean power and or heat for transport and stationary application. It is required as a clean feedstock in industry when recycling captured carbon dioxide. So hydrogen is useful to us. Now I discuss about physical properties of hydrogen. Physical properties of hydrogen. Firstly, hydrogen is the smallest chemical element because it consists of only one proton in its nucleus. You know that hydrogen one of the elements that only one proton and only one electron. There is no neutron in hydrogen. Its symbol is H and its atomic number is 1. It has an average atomic weight of 1.0079 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit, making it the lightest element. Hydrogen is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe, especially in stars and gas giant planet. Other physical properties of hydrogen is, however, monoatomic hydrogen is rare on Earth, is rare due to its propensity to form covalent bonds with most elements. At standard temperature and pressure, hydrogen is a non-toxic, non-metallic, odorless, tasteless, colorless, and highly combustible diatomic gas with the molecular formula H2. Hydrogen is also prevalent on Earth in the form of chemical compounds such as hydrocarbons and water. Physical properties of hydrogen. Also, the physical properties of hydrogen is hydrogen has one proton and one electron. The most common isotope, protium, 1H has no neutrons. Hydrogen has a melting point of minus 259.14 degrees centigrade and a boiling point of 252.87 degrees centigrade. Hydrogen has a density of 0.08988 gram per liter, making it less dense than air. It has two distinct oxidation state, plus 1 and minus 1, which make it able to act as both an oxidizing and reducing agent. Its covalent radius is 31.5 pm. Pm means picometer. Also, the physical properties of hydrogen is hydrogen exists in two different spin isomers of hydrogen diatomic molecules that differ by the relative spin of their nuclei. The one is orthohydrogen, form has parallel spins, and the parahydrogen form has antiparallel spin. At standard temperature and pressure, hydrogen has consists of 75% orthohydrogen and 25% parahydrogen. Hydrogen is available in different forms such as compressed gaseous hydrogen, liquid hydrogen, and slush hydrogen. Slush hydrogen is composed of liquid and solid as well as solid and non-metallic forms. Now I am going to discuss about hydrogen isotopes. Hydrogen has three isotopes. Hydrogen naturally exists as three isotopes denoted 1H, 2H and 3H. 1H occurs at 99.98% abundance and has the formal name protium. 2H is known as deuterium and contains 1 electron, 1 proton and 1 neutron. Mass number 2. Deuterium and its compounds are used as non-radioactive labels in chemical experiment and in solvents for 1H NMR spectroscopy. 3H is known as tritium and contains 1 proton, 2 neutrons and 1 electron, mass number 3. It is radioactive and decays into helium-3 through beta decay with a half-life of 12.32 years. Now I discuss about chemical properties of hydrogen. Chemical properties of hydrogen: reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Hydrogen react with various metals such as it reacts with lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminum. The metal is lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminum. Because hydrogen is electrically positive charge, it's also react with lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium and aluminum. Here is the reaction. Lithium jog hydrogen react with hydrogen and forms lithium hydride. Sodium 2 sodium plus hydrogen and forms 2 sodium hydride. 2 potassium plus hydrogen and forms 2 potassium hydride. Calcium plus hydrogen and forms calcium hydride. 2 aluminum plus 3 hydrogen and forms 2 aluminum hydride. Here is the reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Then reaction with non-metals. Reaction with hydrogen react with various non-metals such as nitrogen, such as oxygen, sulfur, halogen. Firstly, when react with nitrogen, hydrogen plus nitrogen and forms ammonia, NH3. When reacts with oxygen, hydrogen plus oxygen, then it forms water, H2O. When it reacts with sulfur, then forms H2S, hydrogen sulfide. When it reacts with halogen, hydrogen halogen reacts with hydrogen halide. Here X is equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Here is the reaction with non-metals. Non-metals. Hydrogen when hits hydrogen then forms copper plus water. Here is the hydrogen reduce cupric oxide as a copper. Then zinc oxide plus hydrogen heat then forms zinc plus water. When it forms lead chloride plus hydrogen when heat then form lead plus hydrochloric acid. Lead plus hydrochloric. Here is the chemical properties of hydrogen. Then I will discuss about preparation of hydrogen. Preparation of hydrogen. First, erase this. Preparation of hydrogen. Preparation of hydrogen. Preparation of hydrogen. Firstly, I will discuss about general preparation of hydrogen. Firstly, general preparation. Preparation of hydrogen. hydrogen from acid. General preparation from acid. When zinc react with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, create zinc sulfate salt and hydrogen gas. When aluminum react with hydrochloric acid, create aluminum chloride, লবণ, salt plus 3 hydrogen gas. Here we hydrogen from acid. Number 2, from base. When zinc react with sodium hydroxide, forms sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. When aluminum react with to sodium hydroxide plus 2 molecule water, then create 2 sodium aluminate NaAlO2 plus 3 hydrogen. Number 3, from water. When sodium react with water, then produce sodium hydroxide, base and hydrogen. Here we produce hydrogen from water. Also from hydrocarbon. Number 4, from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon methane with catalyst and heat can produce hydrogen. When ethane, catalyst and heat, then produce ethene, C2H2, ethane plus 2 hydrogen. Here is the general preparation of hydrogen. I will discuss about industrial preparation next day. Industrial preparation next day. Okay. So dear students, I think it helps to you about hydrogen. Thank you all. Have a good day and good time.